What's good, traders? It's your boy Giovanni, and I'm back at it again with another YouTube video. And today I got a special one for you guys. A couple months ago, I dropped a video called Trend Beast where I flipped $2,000 to over $7,000 in about 3 days. If you haven't watched that video, definitely go back and watch that YouTube video. It's definitely a great video showing you how real money is made using my expert advisors. If you don't know what the Trend Beast EA is, it is an EA that trades strictly based on the trend using moving average indicators and different things that I coded within the EA. This EA is not a grid system bot, which means it is eligible to use on all platforms. And simply how the Trend Beast works is it will continue to enter in buys or sells if the trend keeps going your way. So guys, the reason why I'm bringing this Trend Beast back up is because now we have the Trend Beast 2.0. So what I've done is I've added different features to this Trend Beast bot. I've added weekly schedulers. I've added a weekly filter to the EA, daily take profits, equity protection, and things like that that make the bot way more profitable now, guys. So now I'm gonna show you guys the improvements to this account flipping EA and show you how it works, guys. Let's get into it. Okay, guys, so just like any bot, with the Trend Beast is going to be about putting the bot on at the right times, of course, since we are using a trend trading EA. Right here, these circles that I marked up are monthly support. So price just rejected it multiple times. So of course you want to turn the bot on with some type of strategy. But let's just say right here that we wanted to use it just because we've seen that there's probably going to be a big push up in price on NAS 100. Okay, so obviously we marked that up and you guys can see that right here it hits, right here it hits. That's a weekly support. It comes back down here and price is respected, so that's where that logic is at. Let's go ahead and switch back to our MT4. We've also got a weekly time frame as well, so we can edit these numbers and see what times are the most profitable. Right now I just have it to trade 24/7 basically, but I have not came up with set files that show you one of the best times to use this bot, so the potential is definitely, limitless. We have our stop loss based on percentage, and we have our take profit. These are just basically equity protection and take profit percentages. Okay guys, so we have our new display as well, which you're going to see. We have our NAS 100 set file, so I'm going to show you guys buys and sells. This bot knows what to do, but what's new about this bot is before the Trend Beast would just keep taking buys and sells and it will kind of just hedge because the trend will change. But now if it's in a buy position and the trend changes on you, and now with sell positions, all the buy positions will close and vice versa. If there's sell positions open and the market reverses on you and starts to buy up, all the sell positions will close and will start to buy. So check it out, guys. We have this Trend Beast on the 5-minute time frame, and you guys can see we have our new display, and it is buying and taking new positions as the market goes the right way. And we've already made $754 in profit. Okay, right here it's selling. It hit a stop loss. It continued to sell. Okay, it's already made $1,500, and we started this account with $3,000, and it's already at floating $7,000. Now pause this real quick. As you guys can see, the Trend Beast is taking full advantage of this trend as it keeps taking in sell entries with stop losses and TPs in place, as you guys can see. That's why we was able to flip this 3K account to $8,591 so far and $4,212 in weekly profit. So now you guys see how I was able to completely flip my $2,000 account to almost $8,000 in just a couple days in my old version of the Trend Beast. And this is going to be nothing new, just way more profitable because it's way more safer now. But what's going to be important with you guys using the Trend Beast is you guys taking opportunities to close as well. Yes, we have our TPs here as well, but there's nothing wrong with just closing all these trades manually and taking that net profit, just taking that, equity $8,591. Okay, but let's continue. The trade continues, and now we are some closes. Yep, some trades were hit from the pullback, but then boom, it continues to enter new sells because price went back our way and TPs were smashed. So now you guys can see the floating profit is now $10,000. $10,000 from 3K in one day. All right, guys, just taking advantage of the trend. And I put it on buys and sells, so it knows exactly, okay, in this situation, this is straight just sells. So let's continue, pull back, we get stop loss hit, and price continues to go back down. At any time, you can take your profit as well. You're floating a profit right here. Closes profits. We're and $12,000, $856, and it starts to take buys. As you guys can see, floating hundreds of dollars in profit. And this is how the trend beast works. It's taking sells now. Right here, the market reversed. So, we lost some trade, but it's all right. It's going to find another opportunity. Right here, it takes buys, great buys. Market goes up. Look at the floating profit. Pay attention to the floating profit. $371 on floating profit. What people love about the trend beast, what I love about the trend beast is you are always going to see profit. It's up to you to take the profit though. You know what I'm saying? It gave you great entries. It's taking advantage of the trend, how it's coded to do. Sometimes you just got to take a profit. Boom, it takes profit right here. So that's the new thing with this trend beast as well. When the bot indicates that it's supposed to take a sell, it will close all of the buys, which you see right here. So all the buys were closed and we took profit on all those trades. But you guys could have took profit earlier if you wanted to as well. Okay, so now it's taking sells. Right here, the market goes back, okay, and it reverses. So now we have the market kind of just moving up and down. Obviously, we're going to take some losses because we only use this bot really on a trend. That's when it works the best. It's taking some buys and sells. It doesn't know what to do. But either way, we're still $10,000 in floating profit. It's starting to take some sells. And during these opportunities, you'll see that you're in profit a couple times and could have taken profit yourself. Okay, so let's just continue to watch as we are in this support and resistance. So obviously, that at the end is not a great time to use this EA because we do not use this EA during support and resistance. We use it during trends, and that's when it's the most profitable. But either way, we were still able to take 3K to over $13,000, and it ended with $8,994 in just a couple of days, guys. Okay, guys, and all of this is possible just by turning on the EA at the right time. Okay, so how do you turn on the EA at the right time? Simple. You don't turn it on during support and resistance. So for that, since you use it on the 5-minute time frame, you may just want to look at the 5-minute time frame. And as you guys can see, at the ending of that simulation, the market really wasn't doing anything, right? It's kind of just going up and down right here. And that's why we were able to lose those, that profit at the end. But as you guys can see, if you can just choose the times where the market is just going up, then you're going to profit a lot, up or down. Okay, guys. But over here, as you guys can see, we're going to lose some money. Opportunities like this is where we make our money, right? Opportunities where the market is just swinging, right? The market is just showing us, okay, it's going in either up direction or a down direction. And right here, we take full advantage of this move, and we've made thousands in that move as well on the trend beast. Right here, where it hits support, right, and market just wants to go all the way up, we've made money. So we've made money with the trend beast going all the way up and down. Okay, guys, so as you guys know, it'll take buys, and then once the trend is broken, it will take sell. If you are still in buy entries by the time the trend is broken, it will close all of these buy entries and only take sells. Okay, guys, so that is the big upgrade with this trend beast. Going back to the MT4 and seeing the profit, right? These are the results, right? But going back to the settings, it is definitely possible. I didn't even put a time filter on here, but it's definitely possible that we can play with this time filter right here. In this simulation, I didn't even, play with the time filter, but it's definitely possible we could play with these numbers and completely filter out times where the market may be consolidating on NAS 100. Obviously, we're always going to take L's in Forex, but using this weekly filter and all the safety settings that we have here and the new closeout feature of Trend Beast, where it closes out when the trend changes. Now, all we have to do is figure out when is it consolidating. Don't use this bot when it's consolidating. Literally, with this bot, we've had it on long and short, and those were the results. You can also just put long only and shorts only if that's the only opportunity that you see in the market. But it doesn't matter because the bot can identify whether it is a long or short by the trend. Okay, guys, as you guys seen. So this is Trend Beast 2.0, and don't be surprised if you see many people flipping accounts with this bot, as I've already flipped accounts with this EA. All right, guys, so that's how this EA works. If you want to tap into this EA, www.richuppips.net. All right, guys, so you guys see the results. You guys see how this Trend Beats works. Obviously, this is definitely one of the best EAs to have in your disposal simply because it follows all the rules of prop firms, and it's very easy to use. And if you are a trend trader, then this is a perfect fit for you. My chat has already been going crazy just using the old version of Trend Beats, and now when you get your hands on this new version, it's gonna get even crazier, guys. If you're interested in using expert advisors to automate your trading process, definitely click the link in the description at www.richuppips.net and get your EA today. Also, you guys can join my Telegram channel where I post results daily from all the different bots that I talk about on my YouTube channel. I understand that there's many people out there who've never used a bot before to trade. That's why I am starting my new ROE bot school where I'm teaching you guys how to use expert advisors, and I'm teaching you guys how to manual trade as well, so you guys know how to incorporate expert advisors with manual trading and get maximum types of profit, guys. So you can join my ROE school in the link in the bio as well at www.richuppips.net. In my EA Academy, I'm going to be teaching you guys manual trading that includes support and resistance, trend line trading, and different strategies that I've learned as a manual trader. I'm gonna teach you guys how to incorporate those manual trading skills into expert advisor trading, guys. This way you guys will have no confusion on how to use expert advisors. You guys will be way more profitable just understanding the market and when are the best times to use my bots. We have completely automated bots on this channel that's gonna completely trade for you, buy or sell, and win at a very high percentage like the Neo EA that we have at richuppips.net. But we also have bots like the Trend Beast that performs best in different market situations. And that's where you want to get started with my ROE bot school and my education and learn how to be very profitable and flip your accounts with an EA like the Trend Beast. If you're new here and you're thinking about becoming an automated trader, like and subscribe to this channel because I'm always dropping new sauce, new EAs that you guys can use for your prop firms or your personal accounts, guys. So tap in, subscribe, and get profitable.